welcome back to the channel. Once again, we are back with one more very important video for JEE Main, and it is the JEE Main reservation criteria. Okay, what kind of reservation, what different types of reservation you get in JEE Main. Okay, many of you are aware of a particular type of reservation, but many of you do not know that how many different type of reservation are present in JEE Main examination. So we'll be particularly discussing about this in this video, and apart from this, we'll also be discussing about the certificates which are required to get these reservations. Okay, so with this, welcome back to the Test Flipkart channel. Hope all of you are doing great in your life. Hope all of you are doing great in staying safe. So we are once again back. So let us start the topic. Let us not delay the video. So the first of all, what is JEE Main examination? JEE Main is generally an entrance examination for different top colleges in the country, like for NITs, IIITs, CFTIs. So you can get admission in these top colleges through exam called JEE Main. And if you qualify JEE Main, you sit for JEE Advanced. Okay, so this is the basic intro of JEE Main. Those of you who did not know this. Okay. So apart from this, let us discuss about the main topic, reservation. So first reservation is category based reservation. Many of you have heard the categories in JEE Main, like general category, OBC category, SC, ST, EWS. Many of you have heard. But what percent of reservation these categories get in JEE Main? So first of all, for general EWS category, you can get 10% reservation. 10% of seats are reserved. Okay. For OBC, 27% of seats are reserved. For SC candidates, 15% of seats are reserved, and for ST candidates, 7.5% of seats are reserved. So this is the category based seat reservation in JEE Main. Now there are seats reserved for physically handicapped people, means person with disabilities, or shortly called PWD candidates. Okay, so 5% of seats in each of the category, like for PWD under OBC, 5% are reserved. For EWS, 5% are reserved. For PWD under SC, 5% are reserved. So like this, 5% of seats are reserved for PWD candidates in each of the category. Now, who are called PWD? The candidates who have disability more than 40% in their body. There are certain prescribed disabilities under JEE Main. So if you are having such a disability, then you can definitely get reservation under PWD category. Okay, so this is all for the reservation under PWD category. Now talking about the reservation for girl candidates, so 5% minimum seats are reserved for girls in each of the colleges. Okay, minimum 5% is reserved. Okay, so this is for the candidates under girl category or female quota. Okay, now talking about the reservation from your home state. Okay, so like for example, we can take example of NIT Trichy, or we can take example of NIT Rourkela. Okay, so the students for NIT Trichy, the home state is Tamil Nadu. So those of you who are from Tamil Nadu, you can get 50% of seats. Okay, so for every NIT, 50% of seats are reserved for the candidates of home state. Okay, now how you are called a home state candidate? If you are born in that particular state, your domicile is of that particular state, then also you can get home state quota. But if you are from any other state, but you have done your education, your 12th class from that particular state, then also you can get home state quota. Okay, so 50% seats are reserved in NITs under home state quota. Now talking about IIITs, many students have confusion. Many students ask a doubt that are home state quota also there? Is home state quota also there in IIITs? So I am clearly telling you that there is no home state quota in any of the IIIT. IIIT have only one, that is All India quota. Okay, there is no such home state quota for in IIITs. Now talking about the NRI students, those of you are NRIs, PIU or CIWG. So under DASA or CIWG category, in each of the NIT or IIIT, some special seats are reserved. Okay, some special seats are reserved for the NRI candidates. Like in NIT Warangal, 110 or 111 seats are reserved for NRIs. So in each of the NITs, some seats are specially reserved for NRI candidates also. So now let us talk about the certificates required to prove that you are a particular category student. So first of all, you need a category certificate issued in prescribed format. Secondly, caste or tribe certificate in case of SC or ST. Third, disability certificate issued by competent authority For PWD candidates, so this is all for the certificate which you require. For NRI candidates, you need your copy of your passport and some of your educational certificates. So this is all which prove that you are from that particular category. Okay, so this is all for the JEE Main reservation. I have tried to cover all the important topics under this, okay, all the important reservations. So if you liked it, so for NRI candidates, those of you who are NRI, Test Prep Card have a special NRI ebook prepared for you. Okay, so the link is given in description. You can consider downloading the NRI ebook. Okay, so if you liked the video, consider liking it, consider subscribing the channel for more such content in the future. Okay.